Welcome to another Pleasantdale video. This time we're going to talk about setting up Skyward notifications through the website. So first let's talk about the notifications you'll be able to set. The first one is you'll be able to set daily, weekly, or monthly grade reports. This would be for all their classes. You can get it as frequently as you want. And then the other option is to get a weekly report by grade percentages of your choosing. So you can, if they get below a certain percentage, get a notice at the end of the week that there was something below that percentage. Now let's talk about setting up the notifications. So once you log into Skyward, at the very top you'll see your name, and next to that it says My Account. So click on My Account, and that'll take you to a screen with different notifications. This one's kind of like the second one or the middle of the page. And it just says email notifications, and those are the two that we were just talking about. The first one is the option for below a certain percentage. So it says receive grading emails for my student or students. So if a percentage is below a certain amount, and that's where there's a box here, if it's below a certain number, you would get a notification at the end of the week with that information. The district, if you don't put anything in that box, the district level is 60%. So if it's below 60%, you would get a notification, and that's what this little question mark will talk about. The second one, and I think is really helpful, is to receive that progress report email for your student however often you want. If you want it daily, if you want it weekly, every Saturday, or if you want it on the first of every month, just to get a notification in your email of, hey, these are their current grades for all their classes. And again, I talked about that little box, that little question mark box. When you click on it, this is what pops up, and it just kind of explains a little bit more in depth what it means when it talks about low assignment percentage. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.